Procreate Worksheets for Nasta'liq. As you can see, I've already opened the Procreate Worksheets for Nasta'liq, ready to demonstrate how to use them and practice. I still use these regularly to improve my own lettering. Let's show you around. Here are the lessons in this worksheet. Alif and Mad, Be and Be Kashida, He, Zal and both forms of Re, Sin and Shin Kashida, Sad and Dad, Toy and Zoy, Ain and Gan, Fe and Qaf, Kaf and Gaf, Lam and Mim, Lam Alif and Hamza, He and all its forms, small and big Ye. And I almost forgot to show you Noon and Wow. Let's practice. To practice, you can use any of our Nasta'liq or Farsi brushes. We have a wide variety to fulfill all your artistic needs. I'll be choosing one from the Farsi brush pack. Let's change the color to this maroonish one and make sure the right here layer is checked. This is where we will be practicing. I'm zooming in so you can have a clearer view. I'm choosing the 3D brush for now. Let's script the letter Noon. It's really easy. Simply follow the red arrows with your Apple Pencil and you will create a perfect stroke. Let's change the brush to the texture brush and change the color to this blue for the letter Wow. I really love the texture on this brush. Let's find a brush from a different brush set. Let's dive into the multi-line Farsi Rika brush set and choose the ML11 brush to write the letter Noon. Let's change the color to this green and make it darker. Okay, one more brush from another brush set. Let's dive into the Geo1 Farsi Rika brush set and choose brush 6. Let's change the color to this purplish hue to write the letter Wow. If you uncheck the layer with the lesson on it, you will be left with your practice. Zooming into it, you can see your calligraphy practice. Make sure to play around and have fun with color and texture depending on the brush you select to make it more enjoyable. If you uncheck the layer with the lesson on it, you can use the lines and guides to practice and perfect your calligraphy by memory. Let's write a word this time. I'm changing the color to a lighter blue and choosing the first brush from the Farsi brush pack. I'm writing the word mashq, which means practice in Urdu and Farsi. Please like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out the other videos I have on this channel. I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.